Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So here I'm gonna cover how to download and install the 3D Experience SolidWorks and how to save the SolidWorks file into 3D Experience collaborative space, as well as the same thing, how to add the SolidWorks files to the 3D Experience port. We'll see these things in this session. Let's get started with this. First thing, you need to download the SolidWorks connected. You just need to click on this for the first time. If you are using it, you'll get this install now option. So you just need to proceed further and you can just select the install all granted role, and at the background the SolidWorks setup files will be downloaded. It's of around 14 to 15 GB approximate we can consider. It wanna take some time, so to install each and every set of files, it will take some time. Okay, so once the installation is done, so you get this message like SolidWorks draft site and 3D Experience SolidWorks Simulation Designer SolidWorks Premium got installed. You can close this and directly click on the app that is SolidWorks connected. It is 3D Experience SolidWorks, we can say. Okay, so in the favorites you can delete whatever you don't want. So let me just add these 3D Experience SolidWorks. So from the app you can just choose the SolidWorks connected, which is 3D Experience SolidWorks Premium, we can say. Okay, and you can click on this icon, or else you can click the shortcut. Whenever you want, you can just access it from there. Okay, from my favorites you can remove what and all the apps you don't want by just dragging into the delete icon. Okay, so I'm having only 3D Learn and SolidWorks connected at the moment. You can even customize your my favorite apps. Okay, so once you click on this application, at the background the SolidWorks connected will open. So for the first time, if you are using it for the first time, you have downloaded it, user interface will be like this. Okay, you can even create the shortcut. So this is the welcome window as we get in SolidWorks as well. The same thing, there is nothing change in this. It is the same SolidWorks desktop license. Okay, it has the name SolidWorks connected only because it has the 3D Experience platform, cloud platform connected to it. That is PLM activities you can do, change action and maturity state and all. You can just deal with this here. Okay, these are the icons. You can even switch it to the menu bar. So let me just open the file and showcase how to import all the SolidWorks model to the 3D Experience PLM and the old. Okay, let me just use this particular satellite receiver. Once you open it, it will be opened as you open in the SolidWorks only, the normal desktop SolidWorks. So the model will be saved in the desktop as well as the cloud. Okay, that also you can do it. So if you want to just save it into the cloud, you can use the 3D Experience icon. So as you could see in the task manager, you have it. So this is the collaborative space which is added newly. If you compare to the desktop SolidWorks, it's the same search icon, shortcut bars and all, you'll be having it here. And here you have the work offline mode and all. So this is the new thing. Okay, so you could see it shows the file has not saved into the 3D Experience. You just need to right click on it and you can use the save option. So if you do that, it will be saved into the cloud. Okay, even you can use this the option that is drop down, save as active window. So what's going to happen is all the models which has stored in the desktop will be copied to the old. So if you just save here, right now you can see that there is no revisions and all, right? So if you just save it into the cloud, you'll be having the revisions as well as the maturity states, how it is working. As you could see, the status modified revision is here, and you can even pin it to bookmark whenever you want. You can access it within a fraction of seconds. Okay, if you want, you can add the revision comments. Just save it once. So once you save it, all the models, whatever the file you have browsed it will be stored into the cloud platform. Okay, whenever you want, you can access to the models. You can make the modifications here. Maturity state, you could see, just in work. Whenever you open the model, save into this, it will be in work only. If you want to work on it, you can even lock it so that no one can use this file or modify this file. This is the one way to just lock your models. And the maturity state also you can deal with. You can even freeze the model so that no one can make the changes into that. So right now I'll showcase this option, that is I just want to yeah, this is the maturity state. If you want to work on this model, you can just freeze it and you can start working on it so that no one can have the uh, editing authority to deal with the models. Okay, only you can work on it until unless you release it, or take it back to the in work version. Okay, so instead of that, you can even use one more option, that is locking the particular file. Let's say it is the assembly, you want to just lock only the certain file, you can use this option, that is lock. Okay, the freeze will also work the same thing, it will freeze everything. Okay, and this is going to lock only the models which you want to work specifically. Okay, so this is how you can just import the models and download the SolidWorks connected, that is 3DEXPERIENCE SolidWorks. So which is nothing but the desktop SolidWorks which has the cloud platform connected. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Stay tuned. Bye everyone.